In this lecture, we'll be discussing unit rates and prices. A unit rate is a rate with a denominator of 1. Examples of unit rates that you would know include miles per hour, pounds per square inch, revolutions per minute. Each one of those is per one whatever unit. To write a rate as a unit rate, you're going to divide the numerator by the rate of the denominator. Previously, we just simplified numerator in the denominator. We didn't want to have decimals. Here, we're going to force our denominator to be 1 by dividing. If we end up with a decimal, that's just fine. To write this as a unit rate, we have 3,200 feet in the numerator, 8 seconds in the denominator, and now we just want to divide 3,200 by 8. This gives us 400 feet over 1 second. Can be written that way, but typically we'll see it written as 400 feet per second. In our next example, we have 78 bushels of fruit from 12 trees. 78 bushels is our numerator. 12 trees is our denominator. To get the unit rate, we're going to divide. 78 divided by 12 gives us 6.5 bushels per one tree, which we can write 6.5 bushels per tree. Unit price is money per item. Unit price is found by taking the price and dividing it by the number of units. An automobile rental agency charges $170 for 5 days for a certain model car. What is the unit price in dollars per day? That's $170 divided by 5 days. We force the division here. We actually divide numerator by the denominator, and that's going to give us $34 per day. A great time to be doing the unit pricing is when you're at the grocery store. Compare, is the big jar really a better deal than the small jar? Sometimes they trick us. The grocery store usually does the unit pricing for us already. When you have the price tag, it'll have the price, and then usually in some bright color down in this corner, they'll have some decimal, and that's the unit price. Make sure you're checking that when you're shopping. We want to approximate each unit price to decide which is a better buy for a bag of nacho chips. 11 ounces for $2.32 or 16 ounces for $3.59. We'll start by finding the unit prices. Take the price and divide it by the number of units. This gives us 0.210909. And then the other unit price is found by taking $3.59 and dividing it by 16 ounces. Performing this division, we end up with 0.224375. We want to determine what the better buy is. The better buy is going to be the cheaper amount. So this right here has the cheaper unit price. Therefore, the 11-ounce bag is a better buy.